Welcome guys. If you want to adjust the volume level in your Garmin DriveSmart 61, then first you have to click on the volume button right here, and then at the first we got this slider. So here we can enable we can adjust this master volume with the slider. You can mute by tapping right here, but if you want to, for example, change only the phone sound, you have to click in this place, then go for the audio mixer, and as you can see right here, you are able to adjust the phone and also the navigation sound, but separate, so you can only change the phone sound. So that's how you can make it with the sliders. You can go back also right here, you can get back this navigation sound, but honestly I'm gonna turn it off. And there's also another feature, it's automatic volume, so you can decide if you want to get it or no. Honestly, I can recommend you to turn off these two options. For me, it's very annoying. So yeah, that's how you can adjust the volume level and the Garmin DriveSmart 61. If you find this video helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.